We're at ISE 2026, the One Sound booth, launching Sona 35. It may look like a bit of a line array, but it's not. It's a point source that has a beautifully high fidelity, elegant sound, but extended low end. It has extended bass out of something that's ADA compliant or less than 4 inches, and can be customized very easily with wood finishes or paint finishes. It's a magnetic grill. It's also marine grade, indoor and outdoor. So we're really excited too that it can work both horizontally and vertically. And it may sound simple to take a speaker and turn it on its side, but it's not that simple to make it sound identical when it's on its horizontal plane versus its vertical plane. There's clever accessories, accessories that can flush mount it, can tilt it, can also tilt it and then do a horizontal, as well as horizontal tilt down this way. So we're really excited to launch it. These are renderings because we haven't sold it yet, but we think it's a useful tool for you to use in your designing to bring to your customers.